This video demonstrates the installation of the Terraco EIFS Nova System. The Terraco EIFS Nova System uses a phenolic insulation board in a range of thicknesses from 3 to 10 centimeters. The starter base profile is leveled and screw-fixed at the base of the external substrate wall. On uneven walls, Terraco plastic packers can be used behind the starter base profile. Then Styrafix or Styrabond DP is applied on the back of the phenolic board with the ribbon and dab method for unlevel substrates or the notch trowel method for level substrates. The phenolic boards are then placed on the starter base profile and pressed against the substrate wall firmly to ensure the adhesive is fully bonded. Each row of boards is fixed in a staggered pattern and levelled vertically and horizontally with a 2-meter straight edge or long spirit level. At corners, the boards overlap and interlock on alternative rows. The boards around the window corners need to be cut in an L shape. On completion, allow the board adhesive to dry. Terraco mechanical fasteners are specified and installed according to the substrate type. As the Nova is a mechanically fixed system with supplementary adhesive, it is important that the fixing pattern is followed. A minimum of 5 fasteners per board are required, 1 at each board corners and 1 in the center of the board. In areas subjected to high wind suction loads, additional fasteners will be required. Styrabond DP is then applied to patch the mechanical fastener heads. After which, Terraco PVC corner beads with wing mesh are installed and levelled at all corners. Window corner reveals are reinforced with PVC corner beads with wing mesh, and additional 200 by 400 mm reinforcement mesh strips are embedded at all opening corners. When specialist beading such as drip nose, groove, movement and stomp beads are specified, contact your local Terraco representative for further details. Once completed, Styrabond DP is applied to the entire surface as a levelling first base coat. After drying, a second base coat of Styrabond DP is applied. The Terraco glass fibre mesh is embedded into the base coat with 10 cm overlaps at mesh points or beading, reinforcing the full area of the wall surface. Then, a third coat of Styrabond DP is applied on top of the mesh, ensuring that the mesh is fully covered and the surface is levelled. After the curing period, Terraco P primer or Tex primer is applied by roller. Allow to dry. This is followed by the steel trowel application of the selected Terraco texture coating. When the coating is spread and levelled, a plastic trowel is then used to rub up the grain in the texture to achieve an attractive and consistent pattern. Choose from a range of Terraco's class-leading decorative finishes, available in a wide range of exterior colour options.